peeps, welcome to another unboxing. And yes, I am not wearing makeup. I have barely brushed my hair. Not wearing makeup because I'm lazy bitch mode today, lads, and I did not get up at the crack of dawn, any dawn. I'm not long up. The dog was asleep until 11:30. So fucked if I was moving out of bed, waking her up. We've had our breakfast. So I just thought I would unbox this shit with you guys. Okay, see what we have here. We have the stuff is sitting on a towel here. Right, first thing I see is a GHD oval dressing brush. Now let's open up the box. It comes in a posh box. Oh, come on, open up, Jesus Christ. I haven't hands to bless myself with, lads, I'm afraid. That's it. I'm not sure what it's made out of. Bristles look like boar bristles to me. Oh, I can't wait to use that. Look at the bottom of it. Nice. Nice, my friends. Now, the question becomes for my viewers here, what the fuck is in the big box? It's just, well, it's not really big, but it's big enough, lads. So I'm going to open up this a little bit. And then as I'm pulling it out, I'll put the camera back on because I can't hold the camera and unbox at the same time. So just give me a second here. I'm back with the bigger box, which is in my hand here. And I've just opened up. I'm just going to literally turn the camera around, right? And then I'm going to just empty the box out onto the poof. And we have the big box. Dog has gone running. Ooh, ooh. It's, ooh, I was expecting, I had suggested sending me conditioners, shampoos, and anything like that when I was asked what I would like. But no, my friends, it would appear that this is what I've received. The GHD Max. Now, let's see, I don't know what the difference is between a normal one and the Max. Let's have a look and see what the difference is. Oh. It's a Big Mama GHD. Lovely. Can't wait to try that. It's got gold plates. There seem to be rounded here. Let's have a look at it. Oh my God. Look at this, Moo. Look what Mommy's after getting. Hello. Holy shit for sticks. Batman. Yes. Right, the switch seems to be here. Let's see. I'm not gonna, oh, you turn it on when you plug it in, of course. Oh my God, look at it. Look at the design on it. Now, I did have a Max one years ago, but I was getting out of the bed and I fell on top of it. And of course, it broke and tight. But thank you very much, GHD. I love it. Good lads. Woo. Best fucking producers of hair products going, lads. I have to say, everything I've tried from them so far, I have, and I'm not being paid money, right, to offer an opinion. Honestly, anything that I have been reviewing, I have really enjoyed. The Glide was great. Look at my pale ass face. And the big box in the background, that's what the Max Professional Styler. Oh my God. I thought I was getting shampoos and conditioners. Oh well. Happy Christmas, everyone. Happy fucking New Year. Oh, I can't wait to try this, lads. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to see if I can do loose waves in my hair with it. Or, see, my hair is straightened, but not with a hair straightener. I used just a hairdryer and a brush. But I might try and see if I can put a few waves in the ends with the big styler and see if it works. Kid candy store. Yippee-ki-yay! And I have a hot chocolate on my little table waiting on me to scoff it. It's local buying. I got the Galaxy light in. I'm not even going to, if I tell you where I get it, everybody will go in there and they'll buy it. But I'll go back in there tomorrow anyway. Aldi are doing them. So go to your local Aldi. The Galaxy, they're €2 or around that mark. And they're lovely. You get 10 cups out of it. And I think 10, or is it 20? I can't remember. I've got loads out of it anyway. I'm halfway finished one and I bought 2 and I'm getting another 2 this week because I'm just going to bulk buy them. Yeah, oh my God. I can't wait to try this. Hold on. Let me have a look at this brush, lads, while we're here. Just while I have yous here. Sitting here, no makeup on me, not only a dressing gown and a pair of pyjamas. And you know what? I couldn't give a shite. You boys on YouTube don't give a shite either. Sure, yous don't. Lads, go on, comment below. Yous don't give a shite. I told yous I was expecting a box and I came. Oh, should I rephrase that? A parcel. Yes, I better call it a parcel. There's some people on here with a dirty mind. Look at that. Goes through the hair nice. Now, I didn't actually, in all my years of going in and out to Peter Mark, I never seen GHD hairbrushes. So this is something new for the record books. I didn't even know they did hairbrushes. So, do I like this so far? Feels great, but my hair is actually, oh my God, look at the shine. This is the dressing brush, so your hair is going to be as shiny as a fucking hell. Lads, let me add. And this is third day hair, you know. I should be really washing this today, but I'm lazy. So I'm not. I'm just going to put a bit of dry shampoo and a few loose waves at the bottom. Wow. So wowzer. Wowzer. We'll just flicker out. Wowzer, guys. Liking that. Wow. Okay. New toys, guys. New toys for the boys. Yay. Right. I will be back. I'll let you know. I post a picture of me when I have my hair done at the end. It'll either be loose waves, if I can manage to do it with this thing, or it'll be straight, or a bit, pretty much like it is now, but maybe a little bit less, a little bit glossier looking. So lads, that's it for my unboxing. Comment below if you want a review on any of them, or a tutorial on how to use the big ass GHD. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, guys, love yous all. Toodle pip, be good, stay home, and bug free. Cheery bye.